The employer is required to ensure that the probability and magnitude of unintentional exposures is reduced so far as reasonably practicable. This is achieved via a number of different means. 1. Audit. Regular audit helps ensure that URMA procedures and best practice are being followed. Audits can encompass many areas, but at the very least should encompass the correct recording of patient dose following an examination, image quality review, and staff training records. 2. Equipment quality assurance and maintenance. All X-ray equipment in the dental practice and associated detector equipment must undergo regular quality assurance checks to ensure it continues to function as per the manufacturer's specification and as well as when it was first installed. These checks are typically carried out by a medical physics service, with simpler checks undertaken more regularly by practice staff. All X-ray equipment must be maintained in line with the recommendations of the manufacturer by appropriately qualified staff. An up-to-date inventory of all X-ray equipment should be maintained on site. This should include the manufacturer, model, serial number, year of manufacture, and year of installation for all equipment. 3. Training. Operator training is essential in reducing the probability and magnitude of unintended exposures. All operators must have received training, both theoretical and practical, on all X-ray equipment, associated detector systems, and X-ray procedures they undertake locally. This training should include an assessment of competence. Training should include all aspects of the exposure, including correctly following the relevant URMA procedures beforehand, that is, patient ID checks, detector positioning, and the use of positioning aids, the selection of the correct exposure factors, correct positioning of all persons during exposure, the correct processing of the image, the correct recording of patient dose, and the correct recording of rejected images. When new equipment or X-ray procedures are brought into practice, all operators must be trained and their competence assessed before they can use the new equipment or undertake the new procedures. 4. Image quality assessment. Review and grading of the quality of clinical X-rays is important in ensuring the images are of the required quality. This should include reject analysis, a look at the number of X-rays which are repeated due to insufficient image quality and the reasons why. Together, image quality review and reject analysis helps identify issues with equipment and staff training that can be addressed for continual improvement. Image quality grading should assign images as diagnostically acceptable or unacceptable, and no more than 5% of images should be unacceptable for computed radiography, direct digital radiography, OPG, or cone beam CT. Fifthly, incident review. All incidents reported internally should be fully investigated and the learning shared to all staff in the dental practice. This helps ensure these incidents are not repeated. Any recommendations from the MPE following an incident should be implemented.